Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today we will learn how to construct a parallelogram.
We will learn to construct a parallelogram ABCD. AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter, BD is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and ABD angle is equal to 70 degree. So I am drawing a rough diagram of it. So A, B, C, D. Now this is 6.5 centimeter and this angle is 70 degree, and AD is equal to how much? AD is equal to your 4.8 centimeter. It's AD, it's not BD, it is AD. So next what I'll go 6.5, and at A I'll draw 70 degree. Then from AD I'll draw 4.8, and from D I'll draw your 6.5, because we know the opposite sides are equal, and here BC is same as your AD. This is also 4.8. So I am proceeding. You can simultaneously draw with me. You can bring your scale, pencil, protractor, everything. Here we will draw the angle with protractor, because this is in class 6 and we have not learned how to draw the angle by compass. So first I am taking your 6.5. So when I'll draw this line, I'll draw from 0. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is from 0. I'll go up to 6.5, 6, 6 and 7. In between there is a 6.5 is there. So I can mark a point. This is how we draw 6.5 centimeter. So I'll name as your AB. This is 6.5. I'm writing here also 6.5 centimeter. Next I'll draw 70 degree. You know how to draw 70 degree. I'll put the protractor on A. It will be 70 degree. So mark the point on 70 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is 70 degree. So mark the point. Now when I'll join this line, joining these 2 points A and these 70 degree points, I am getting the other side of the parallelogram. Now the length of this side is your 4.8. Now let us see. I am taking how 4.8 from the scale. I am taking, so I'll put the compass. I'll put the compass on 0. This is 0 degree, 0 centimeter. Then I'll go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.8. So I am going up to 4.8. See, 4.5, 4.8. Is it 4.8? 4.8. See how I have drawn, how I have taken the arc from starting from 0. Then pencil tip will coincide with 4.8 and compass tip will coincide with 0, 0 to 4.5. So then with this arc, not disturbing the compass, I'll draw a arc. This is we call arc. That means it is just like your circle. You can draw the circle. We are not drawing. This is called arc. That means this length is equal to 4.8. This length is equal to 4.8, and I am naming it. This is equal to D. So next we know that the length of AB is same as length of CD, and length of AD is same as length of BC. So with measuring your AB length. How I am measuring exactly the 6.5 centimeter. This AB is your, see, one compass tip is on the A and the pencil tip is on B. This is how I am measuring. You're taking the same arc, and this will be your DC, AB, DC, AB, DC. So I'll put the compass on D, and again I'll draw an arc. This is known as how we draw arc. So DC, how much? 6.5. From B, I'll take how much? 4.8. So I'll put on A, again compass tip put on A, and the pencil tip on D. That means what I'm taking? I'm taking exactly 4.8. I can take on the scale again 4.8, but as I've drawn it, I'm not going for the scale, I'm taking 4.8. You can take the scale also. Then AD is same as your BC, AD, BC. So I'll put on B compass, and the pencil, I'll draw an arc. I'll draw an arc. Got it? So it will intersect. You can draw a bigger arc, but I am drawing a smaller one. So this intersection point is your C. Now what we'll do? We'll join the side so that parallelogram will be drawn. So I'll join C with B. Now I'll join C and D. So this is another side of the parallelogram. So AB, CD is the parallelogram. So here this is 4.58 centimeter, this is 4.8 centimeter, this is your 5.6 centimeter, and how much I have drawn here? I have drawn 70 degree here. So we'll write ABCD is required parallelogram. Finished.
Thank you all the subscribers to support this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.